Hello everyone, welcome to Eat This Kitchen. I am Bianca, shredded potatoes. Everyone eats them often. Have you ever tried stuffed shredded potatoes? Today, I will share with you a dish, a different way to eat shredded potatoes. Let's see how I make it. First, prepare the potatoes and peel them. Then cut them into thin slices. Then cut them into shreds. After cutting, put them into a large bowl. Do not wash them. Crack one egg directly into the bowl. Then add a spoonful of regular flour. Mix evenly by hand. Make sure the shredded potatoes are evenly coated with flour and egg. Then prepare 3 yuan worth of minced pork. Add some salt for seasoning. A little bit of white pepper to remove the smell and enhance the aroma. Then add a spoonful of chicken bouillon powder for flavor. A spoonful of light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Sesame oil. Then add a spoonful of starch. Mix evenly by hand. Mix in one direction. Keep mixing until sticky. Mix until it becomes thick and elastic. It should look like this. Set it aside for later. Next, prepare some ingredients. Prepare 1 green onion and cut it into thin strips. Then prepare a few garlic cloves and slice them. Then prepare a piece of ginger and slice it first. Then cut it into thin strips. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Heat oil in a pan. Heat it until smoking. When the oil starts to smoke, pour it out. Then add some cool oil. This prevents the potatoes from sticking when frying. Now add half of the shredded potatoes. Press down with a spoon. Press it into a pancake shape. Spread the minced meat evenly on top. Flatten it out. Then spread the remaining shredded potatoes evenly on top. Shape it properly. Keep shaking the pan. Ensure the shredded potatoes heat evenly. Pan fry for about 2 minutes. Fry until the bottom turns golden. Then flip it over. If you can't flip the pan, cover it with a plate. Then turn it over. Fry until both sides are golden, then remove from the pan. Heat oil in another pan. When the oil is hot, add green onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Then pour light soy sauce along the edge of the pan. Let it sizzle for aroma. Then add a little cooking wine. Next, add a bowl of clear water. A little dark soy sauce for color. A little rice vinegar. A suitable amount of salt. A spoonful of sugar to enhance the flavor. A spoonful of chicken powder. Stir well. Then add the fried potato cakes. Simmer over medium heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn up the heat to reduce the sauce. Then add a little cornstarch slurry. Pour the cornstarch slurry along the edge of the pan. Pour while gently shaking the pan. Shake the cornstarch mixture evenly. You can add the cornstarch slurry into batches. This way, it blends more evenly. Simmer until the sauce thickens, then remove from heat and plate. Finally, sprinkle some red chili strips for garnish. Then add some shredded green onions. And just like that, a delicious dish of crispy potato shreds is ready. It tastes fresh and delicious. Absolutely delicious. If you like it, save the recipe and give it a try. If you enjoy my videos, remember to like them, follow and share. Click my profile picture to see more food videos. I upload different videos every day. See you in the next video.